Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to contact Wix support in 2024. So we're going to guide you through the process of contacting Wix support, whether you're facing some technical issues, billing questions, or you just need, as an example, some assistance with your website. So we'll show you the best ways to get in touch with the Wix customer service. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser, of course, and log into your Wix account. To do so, go and open a browser. For me, here, Museum Brave. For you, you can use this if you want. Once you open it, basically, all you need to do is just go to the URL section, type wix.com, hit the enter button. Once you do so, this normally should take you into the home screen or main screen right away. If you're logged in, if you're not logged in, basically you'll find yourself on a site like this, as example. So you can basically just type wix.com, hit the enter button, log in into your account if you have one. If you don't, create an account. For example, you're just creating your account. As you can see, you can use Google, Facebook, or Apple if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find here, of course, all your sites. But that's not what we want now. So basically, the first thing that you'll need to do is go and access the help center. As you can see, we'll find this here at the top. Just go and click on that help. Here, basically, you'll find multiple stuff. You'll find where you can simply ask your question. There's a question mark. First of all, if you have just a simple question, you can simply type it here. Like an example, how to cancel a subscription or something like that. So subscription, hit the enter button example. They'll show you exactly how to cancel it or something like that. Basically, this is just for the support. I don't know why it's not here, so I'll just open it in here. So example, yeah, they show you exactly how to do it, etc. This is, as I said, if you just want to answer like a specific question, you don't have to contact the support for that. You'll basically have to use this help center, and they will basically answer your question. But if you want to contact the support, as you can see, you have this option, which is chat with us. Contact customer care to get professional support. So click on it. And as you can see, first of all, you'll start talking with a Wix bot. For example, hi, can I help you find answers or connect you with an expert? You can pick a topic or give me some details below. So as an example, you can start selecting that. If you just type or tell them, connect me with an expert, hit the enter button. And let's see, so to reach right experts, please describe the issue. So as you can see, they will not let you contact the support right away until you tell them what's the problem. So make sure to describe the problem. I have an example problem in payments option. As example, let's just answer. So example, you can simply see here. So yeah, accepting payments by credit card. As example. So yeah, if this didn't work for you, maybe you can simply just go back to chat. Maybe it's something else. So connect you to customer care. In order to best assist you, please let me know which site you'll need to help with, etc. by entering the name or URL in the text box below. So simply enter the name or URL, and you'll be connected to an expert right away. That's fast. As simple as that, as you can see. If this Wix bot cannot find a solution for your problem, it will basically just connect you to the experts right away. And it will be presented, of course, with different support options such as live chat, email support, and even phone support. You can choose the option, of course, that best suits your needs for live chats and emails, and you will need to provide details about your issue to help the support team assist you more efficiently. And yeah, that's going to be basically like it. Of course, Wix also like offers just one thing that I remember. It offers some support through their social media channels and community forums. You can reach out to them on platforms like Facebook, Twitter for assistance. Additionally, the Wix community forums are a great place to ask questions and get help from other Wix users if you don't want to wait for the experts or something like that. And yeah, of course, depending on your subscription plan, phone supports might be available. If you have access to the phone supports, contact the number, of course, it will be listed to contact us section to the help center. Make sure that you have your account details handy when calling for quicker assistance. And yeah, as we said, that's going to be it for me today. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, of course, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll try to respond as soon as possible. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. So goodbye.